I am a pencil. I love to draw. Pencil, pencil, pencil. I am a pen. I love to write. Pen, pen, pen. I am an eraser. I fix mistakes. Eraser, eraser, eraser. I am a ruler. I make lines straight. Ruler, ruler, ruler. I am a notebook. I keep your notes. Notebook, notebook, notebook. I am a book. Let's read and learn. Book, book, book. I am a compass. I draw a round shape. Compass, compass, compass. I am a protractor. I measure angles. Protractor, protractor, protractor. I am a sharpener. I sharpen the lead. Sharpener, sharpener, sharpener. I am some scissors. I snip and cut. Scissors, scissors, scissors. I am a stapler. I clip your work. Stapler, stapler, stapler. I am a whiteboard. Write and wipe. Whiteboard, whiteboard, whiteboard. I am a chalk. I colored the board. Chalk, chalk, chalk. I am a pencil case. I hold your tools. Pencil case, pencil case, pencil case. I am a backpack. I carry your things. Backpack, backpack, backpack. We are your school friends, here to stay. Let's learn English every day. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? New lessons come your way each week. Hooray! Subscribe today and come back soon. Let's learn and play.